Hey guys, it's Joyce. Simple and compound meter. Different time signatures are divided into different meters. They are partly based on the number of beats in a measure. Duple is 2, triple 3, and quadruple is 4. The second part of deciding which meter a time signature belongs to is deciding whether it is simple or compound. Let's start off with simple meter first. Each beat is divisible by 2. For example, 2-4, 4-4, and 2-2 all have beats that are divisible by 2, and therefore they are all simple meters. 2-4 is called simple duple as there are two beats in a measure, and 4-4 is simple quadruple as there are 4 beats in a measure, and 2-2 once again is simple duple as there are 2 beats in a measure. And you can tell how many beats there are in a measure by looking at which note is on top, as we learned in a previous lesson. Here is a chart with a list of many simple meters and their beat, which is also called the pulse, and how you divide each of these pulses. And as noted before, each of these beats can be divided into 2, and therefore this is called simple meter. Here's another very helpful chart. Compound meter. Each beat is divisible by 3. For example, 6-8, 9-8, and 12-8 are all compound meters. This may seem a little bit tricky, as you might think there are 6 beats in a measure as there is a 6 on top of the time signature. However, in this case, for 6-8, 9-8, and 12-8, we put 3 eighth notes into 1 beat. Therefore, there are 2 beats in a measure, and since each beat is divisible by 3, this is called compound duple. For 9-8, we put 3 eighth notes in each beat, and as a result, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and there are 3 beats, so this is called compound triple. For compound quadruple, we have 12 eighth notes. There are 3 eighth notes in each beat, so there are 4 beats in all in each measure. Therefore, this is called compound quadruple. Simple versus compound meter. Let's do a quick review. For simple duple, we have a 2-4 time signature, and there are 2 beats in a measure, therefore it is called duple. And it's simple because you can divide each of these beats into 2 eighth notes. Moving on to compound duple. 6-8 time signature is a part of this group. There are 2 beats per measure, therefore it is duple. However, it is not simple because each of these beats can be divided into 3 eighth notes. Therefore, it is compound. Moving on to simple triple. 3-4 time signature is a part of this group. There are 3 beats per measure, so it is triple. And then each of these beats can be divided into 2 eighth notes, so it is simple. The same rules apply to compound triple, simple quadruple, and compound quadruple. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.